This mini projector has a native 720p resolution but can produce 1080. It also has hi-fi sound and built-in Wi-Fi, and we are going to be testing it. We're going to see exactly what you get for your money, exactly what's in the actual box, and see how good a quality a 720p can produce. Just because it's 720p doesn't mean it can't produce very good quality images, and we are going to be testing it. Looking at this, it comes in two colours. It comes in black or white. We have, as far as I understand, the black one. It looks more like black grey, but we will see. So let's have a look to see exactly what you get for your money. So we have the tiny little projector, and I'll get her out. Oh, cool, it's quite tight. There you go. Nothing else in the box, and all your connections. Oh, and it's not even sealed up. So this is the projector. I would suggest or think that that is focus. I'm guessing that's focus. I would have thought it would be. Controls are on the top for manual controlling. And what else do we have? Power connector. We have a Type-C connection that's been blanked out, so I'm guessing there is an upgraded version of this with Type-C connection, or maybe they're bringing one out for the future. Maybe the speaker, or that might be the speaker, if not an air vent. We have HDMI connection on the back, or on the side, sorry, only one. USB, only one. AV out, and headphones out. And air vent on the side again. Made by Glisogo, I think that's how you pronounce it, Glisogo. And the lens. Couple of little padded feet on the bottom. I'm not sure what this is. Does that come out open? Come on. It should do, but it's quite tight. We'll have to get a screwdriver on that. And we have a tripod stand. So if you want to put it on a tripod stand like that, you can with that. So first impressions, it's made of plastic. Wasn't expecting it to be made of metal or anything like that anyway. Yeah, it looks like focus or something. So there's no, or there might be, but as far as I know, there is no keystone setting or adjustment. Something to bear in mind. But there might be. I don't know yet. We haven't tested it. Now then, let's see what's in this little package here. So everything in the box. Power adapter, as you would expect, UK one. Remote control. Never use these, ever. Well, years ago I used to use these. So if you need to, you can use this for your audio and your videos, stuff like that, rather than use HDMI connection. We won't be using them whatsoever, but they are an option. And we have a HDMI connection. Now don't expect the HDMI connection to be anything, or cable to be anything special, because it's not. It's just a HDMI cable. Don't forget, we're only producing 720 resolution. So first impressions, yeah, it looks very nice. It's made of plastic, feels quite solid actually. Doesn't feel like, you know, you might drop it and it might break unless you've dropped it on something extremely hard. But yeah, first impressions, very nice. It does seem to have everything you need to get going. And I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions, and then we're going to give a quick test. When you first turn it on, you're greeted with the name Glisogo, and then it goes into the menu. And I found the menu very easy to navigate. I had no issues with that whatsoever. Didn't need to adjust the picture quality. I just left it on standard in the end because I thought the picture quality was fine. Focus was the only thing I really needed to adjust. And again, very easy to adjust. There is no keystone, so you can't adjust the keystone, but the focus, yeah, I had no issue with that. Once I got it dead level, I just adjusted the focus, and yeah, picture quality, brilliant. I did set this up in daytime because I wanted to see how good a quality the picture was in daylight. I did shut the blinds, and as you can see, the sun is shining through the blinds on one side, but it still maintained a pretty good image considering it's in daytime. I will show you at night time in a bit, but I wanted to show you what the picture quality was like, you know, during the day. and I am playing this through USB as well at the moment, but I will show you mirroring and HDMI connection. Again, I had no issue with any of that, but I will show you how good it is and how easy it was to connect. Mirroring, as you can see, no issues with that whatsoever, just worked perfectly, was easy to connect and gives you good instructions on how to connect. Yeah, just worked perfectly for me. No issues with that whatsoever. Very impressed. Wi-Fi. Let's see how easy it is to connect to your Wi-Fi. Hopefully it should be quite easy. So go to settings. We want the last one. Scroll down. Wi-Fi. That baby there. Search. Mine's the top one. Press again. HG. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? We are connected. Right, night time. I connected it to my PC and I used a HDMI connection. Again, very easy to do, no issue with it. Nice clear images, perfect. Perfect for if you're doing a conference or you just want to sit indoors watching a movie on a big giant screen. This was set on 100-inch size on my wall, and yeah, no issues with it whatsoever. Just worked beautifully, and I was very impressed with the colours. Nice and vibrant, considering it's a 720p. I know I might have mentioned that a couple of times, but I want to point out that this is a 720p image. Yeah, perfect. Quality of the audio, again, although you can't hear it, the speaker, in my opinion, was very good. I was quite impressed actually how good a quality the audio was, considering it had one speaker and yeah, nice and clear. Had a nice bit of bass on it and it didn't sound distorted at all. And you could hear everything that was going on. Yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. For the amount of money this thing costs, I was well impressed with the quality of image, because at the end of the day, a projector is all about image. And bearing in mind it's a 720, yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. Well worth the money in my opinion. So with that, I hope this video helped you to decide whether or not it's worth investing in this projector. It definitely gets my thumbs up.